Hi you guys, it is me Laura from scrapsoфencouragement.com and I am here today with a fun project. This is another quick, simple stamping project for you. As demonstrators with Stampin' Up, we have been challenged to go back to the basics and do some quick stamping examples for you guys using just paper and ink and stamps and nothing else, and trying to make projects that you can complete in a minute or less. This is because so often we see these cards that people are making that have been making cards for years and years and have loads of supplies, and it can seem overwhelming, but the reality is that anybody can make cards and you just need a few simple supplies. So I have added on to that challenge for myself, and in each card I'm only allowing myself to use one stamp set and up to 3 ink pads, and that is it. So today I am coming at you with the Lasting Lilies stamp set. Now this is a celebration stamp set, so if you spend $50, you can get this free during celebration, which is going to start at the beginning of January. So if you get a few ink pads, some card bases, and maybe a block or two to stamp with, you will have this free, and you can do as many cards as you want. You can just keep going and going. So for this stamp set today, I am using Highland Heather, and I am using Mint Macaron, and I am using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and then my card base, and that is it. So I am going to get started, and you can see that this card is going to be made in a minute or less. So to start with, I'm going to take my stem of my lily, and I am going to ink that up really well. I am going to smack it right there. I want to make sure the ink absorbs well, so I'm going to press it down a little bit. And then I'm just going to switch out this stamp, and I am going to take the leaf for my lily, and I'm going to ink that up really well with Mint Macaron. And I am going to, it's really easy with this photopolymer, I'm going to line that up right there, and ta-da! We have a beautiful leaf. And now I'm going to take my lily, and I'm going to ink that up in Highland Heather. And this stamp is so beautiful because it has some different shading on it. So see, it looks like it's not all solid, but it's supposed to be that way, and you will see why. You can line it up right there because you can see through. Press it down. And you have a lovely lily. And then I am taking my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I am going to ink up my sentiment, which this one I'm picking is Our Thoughts Are With You. And this has so many different wonderful sentiments in the set. And there you go. Very clean, simple, easy card in a minute or less with just a few supplies. So if you try this card or any other cards with this challenge using only ink, paper, and stamps, I would love to see them. You can hashtag Scraps of Encouragement and also hashtag simple stamping, and I would love to see that. And if you or someone you know is interested in starting card making and you're overwhelmed, just check out some of these videos I am making of simple stamping, and I would love to help you get started. Don't be intimidating. Anybody can stamp, and sending a handmade greeting can be so encouraging and uplifting. And I mean, we just don't send snail mail much today, so it can really put a smile on someone's day. So I hope you find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with your scraps of paper, and I will talk to you later. Bye.